Very good morning, class 2. Today's date is 28/08/2020, and take out your fair copy and we will continue exercise word problems. Yes, homework is done. Okay, so we will continue from question number 9. Renu bought 70 chocolates on her birthday. So we write Renu bought chocolates on her birthday. On her birthday equals to 70, and she distributed to her friends. She distributed to her friends equals to 46, and chocolates were left. So 70 minus 46. 70 minus 46. This is 1, this is tens. So now we subtract 6 from 0, but 0 is less than 6. So from tens we borrow 1 10 and leaving behind 6, and 0 10 becomes 10. 1 tens plus 0 ones become 10 ones. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So 24 chocolates were left. Yes. Now question number 10. There were 64 workers in an office. Workers in an office equals to 64, and women's in an office equals to 29, and men in an office equals to 64 minus 29. So 64 minus 29, this is ones, this is tens. So subtracting the ones, so we want to subtract 9 from 4, so it is not possible. So from the tens we borrow 1 10, and 5 tens are left, and one's position is 1 10 plus 4 ones becomes 14 ones. So 14 minus 9, 10 11 12 13 14, 5. So here we write 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So men in an office, so men in an office are 35. How much is 43 less than 91? So 91 minus 43. So we want to subtracting ones, so we want to subtract 3 from 1, but it is not possible. So from the tens we borrow 1 10, and 8 10 are left, and 1 ones becomes 11 ones. So 11 minus 3 is 8, and 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 8 48, right? Yes. Now continue. New exercise, subtraction of 3-digit number. So heading is subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. without borrowing. Page number 82. So this chapter starts from new page. So date is 28/08/2020. Yes, without borrowing. So let us subtract one example. Let us subtract 656 432. This is ones, tens, hundred. So subtracting ones, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. Right? And now exercise time. So this is page number 83. So let's continue. 954 and 341. And second question is 678 536. And this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. Now subtracting the ones, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, 6, 1, 3. 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 6 minus 5 is 1. And next is 987 and 612. 245 123. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. Subtracting the ones, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 7 minus 2 is 5, 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3. Next question, 725 402. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Right? Yes. And homework is do complete page number 83.